Aqua Man, sleek fighter jets with advanced stealth design, prominent cockpits, and glowing thrusters indicate high speed and agility. Batman, menacing, angular fighter jets with dark stealth design, highlighted by glowing edges, built for advanced maneuverability and high-tech warfare. Superman, the Superman jets combine a bold red and blue design with sharp aerodynamics for advanced combat and supersonic flight capabilities. Captain Atom, a metallic silver fighter jet with blue accents embodying Captain Atom's atomic energy, sleek and futuristic, symbolizing immense power and speed. Cyborg, futuristic fighter jets with stealth profiles, vertical takeoff, advanced maneuverability, and cutting-edge combat features, accentuated by glowing red details. Hawkgirl, a design with feather-like patterns, sharp contours for speed and agility, and a striking red and gold color scheme for an aggressive aerodynamic presence. Green Lantern, a sleek dark design with neon green accents, suggesting stealth, advanced propulsion, and high-tech capabilities for superior aerial combat. Black Canary, sleek metallic blue jets with gold trim, designed for stealth and maneuverability, featuring clear cockpits and powerful engines. Adam Strange, futuristic stealth jets with forward-swept wings, bubble canopies, and powerful engines designed for speed and agility. Shazam, a fighter jet, feature a dynamic red and gold design, embodying sleek aerodynamics for speed and sharp maneuverability. Martian Manhunter, a stealthy aerodynamic design with a bold green color scheme equipped for power speed and advanced combat readiness. Batwoman, aggressive black and red stealth jets with angular designs, illuminated accents, suggesting advanced combat capabilities. Zatanna, metallic fighter jets with curved organic designs and purple energy accents, featuring stealthy cockpits and blade-like wings for advanced combat and maneuverability. Flash, a futuristic red and gold fighter jet with a streamlined design, swept-back wings, a clear bubble canopy, and multiple powerful engines for high-speed flight. Green Arrow, stealthy Green Arrow, jets with advanced agility and high-speed capabilities,